Alright people, welcome back to my channel. My channel is Aceh Esperanto. Right, today we are heading to the mall in Medan. You know what? The most bigger mall in after Jakarta and Surabaya. I myself, my friend, his name is Mr. Wardi. He's good, long hair, what? Then big body, but I couldn't imagine myself. I use my sunglasses today, what? Very awesome, but now we're gonna check out from this hotel. This hotel very torturing, but the door can look each other. When we got bed and we got shower and bathroom is very awesome, I think, right? You could see what the cock is that mean, what, in the bathroom, and then you can see anything in the bathroom. When somebody put a shop, man, what, I couldn't believe that, my friend. But after that we heading to went back to Banda Aceh, because Banda Aceh all waiting for us there. But this totally awesome, I think. Alright, my spin is up. Tata for now. Bye.